Example 1, express 80 as a product of prime factors. Now this is what I want to see on your paper when you're doing your product of prime factors. You need to find two numbers that multiply to make 80. I can see it ends in 0, so I know it divides by 10. If I do divide it by 10, I'm going to get 8 times 10. I could also divide it by 4, 4 times 20, 2 times 40, 5 times 16. I think that's about all I can think of. But there's all kinds of ways to make it. There's no correct way to do it. But I do want two numbers that multiply to make it. All right, so as long as these numbers multiply to make it, you're in good shape. 8 is composite. It breaks down to 2 times 4. 10 is composite. Breaks down to 2 times 2. Or so 2 times 5. Sorry. Getting ahead of myself here. 2 times 5. All right, 2, 2, and 5 are already prime. 4 isn't. So I'm going to bring my prime numbers down with a single line. I'm going to break my composite number down into prime numbers. Okay, that's what I expect your factor trees to look like each time. Some people leave, when they get prime numbers, they'll do that. They'll break this down to 2 times 2, and then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 like that. The disadvantage to doing that way is that the way I'm doing it, everything on the bottom line is the answer. If the other way, sometimes you got an answer up here and another one down here and over there. Sometimes you forget one. If you want to make sure you have a right answer, this again is the product of prime factors. That's the answer right there. Factor, 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 factor. Things being multiplied together to make a product. Okay? And 2, 2, 2, 2, and 5 are all prime numbers. So we've got our list of prime numbers there on our sheet. So we can verify that all those numbers we have there are prime. All you have to do to check to make sure you're right is real simple. If they're all prime numbers and you type in your calculator the answer and hit equals, it should be the original number you started off with. If it is, you got the right answer. If not, it's not. So that's how you verify that you have the correct answer. It's real simple. Are they prime? Yes. Do they multiply to make the original number? Yes. Then it's the right answer.